Welcome back to another video. This is your boy Nigel. We are back at it like a crocodile. If you don't believe God. So today we are here in Roselle, St. Thomas, about to head to Portland.
I'm gonna go to Reach Falls today. My third time going to Reach Falls over in Portland.
That is it.
It's gonna be fun.
You're gonna do the rabbit hole.
Yeah, we're doing the rabbit hole.
Yeah,
we're doing the rabbit hole.
Nice.
Yeah.
And we also have a lovely lady here with us.
Hi, I'm new to the channel. I've never been here before, but it's my honor to be on Nigel's channel. I'm very excited. I'm loving the hospitality so far. It's been good. I'm ready for the adventure. I don't know about the rabbit hole, but we'll figure out. I don't know if I'm gonna do the rabbit hole. I might. I don't know yet.
You don't know yet.
No.
But she's gonna do it, guys. We're gonna convince her to do it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and she's gonna swim in. So. So, wanna stay tuned and watch the process. We are head out. So yeah, guess what? We drive all the way from Kingston to come to Reach Falls. But guess what? Today is what? Tuesday. So they told us that they only open Wednesday to Sunday. And I didn't know that. So if you guys want to come to Reach Falls, don't come Monday and Tuesday. Come from Wednesday to Sunday. So now we're going to one of the local spots, right? And guess what? Pojo is the tour guide. So Pojo is touring me and Isa.
Yes.
Yeah.
We don't even know where we are, but we're going.
Yeah, we're going. We're following the American touring us.
I have my hand up. So
Yeah.
I have my hand up so you won't lose me.
Yeah.
You need like a plant or something so we know where to go.
Yeah.
There we go.
So we're gonna ask the tour guide some question as well, because you know this better than us, right?
I know I've never been here.
You
so.
never.
Be careful on the rocks over here.
No, I'm weak.
So it's me and Isa first time to this part. Pojo been here. How many times? Pojo?
Three times.
3 times. Okay.
Be careful with the rocks.
And only way you can get this tour guide unless he's in Jamaica, because he's very busy. People booked him all over the world, so you have to go different country to give tours.
It seems like it'll be good because it doesn't seem like anyone's here today, so we'll probably have it all to ourselves.
I love this tour guide. I love the guidance.
Nice.
Oh, trust me, it's amazing.
Wow.
We're gonna walk up and you'll see.
He's giving us some good information. So we're going down.
Be careful with the rocks, Nigel.
Yeah, it's all over here. It's
Yeah.
all over here.
They're slippery.
This tour guide's hilarious.
Careful on that too.
We so happy to catch this tour guide in Jamaica.
We are so lucky.
We're so lucky to have this Pojo, the backpacker, the one and only tour guide, Jamaica tour guide, but he's American. Like
Yeah.
what?
American tour guide.
American Jamaican tour guide. Woo! No, this is crazy.
I can see some fish from up here.
Fish?
Yes, looks like some freshwater fish.
I've never
Yeah, this is amazing.
seen this is like a waterfall, but like
This is beautiful. Yeah, look at that. How's the river, man?
I can find the rocks in this place. What?
We're gonna keep going up.
Keep going up. All right.
The tour guide is tour guiding me now.
We're under Godi tree. So this are the Rasta. This is the tree that the Rasta they get the Godi from to make their plate. Look at it. Isa touching some Jamaican water.
For the first time.
Time.
First time touching Jamaican water. What you said, Jam Rock?
Jam rock.
Jam Rock water. Woo.
Take your time.
Oh, but I wanna like
Look at Isa. Isa. How is it?
I found me at desk. Look at this. Yo, this just sounds like, I don't know, I could be here all freaking day. Seriously, like, nah, I couldn't sleep here. I'm in my Tarzan era. Yeah!
Tarzan!
Tarzan!
As a Tarzan woman. So right now we're just going up the river because we were planning to do the rabbit hole, but we can't do the rabbit hole today, so we have to do the local part.
See the rabbit hole.
Yeah, definitely. We here. So tour guide. So what you said about right here? So the tour guide gonna tell us a little. What is it?
Right here is a nice little curvature we have in the rocks that give you some healing waters. You lay in this, all your pains and aches will go away.
Oh.
So you can lay right here, take your Instagram picture. Beautiful place.
Okay. Nice. And question, what is the name of this river again?
We're at Reach Falls right now.
Reach Falls.
Here in Portland, Manchonil.
Manchonil. Okay, hear that. Portland, Manchonil. And where are you from?
I'm from the United States of America.
Okay. But you're a tour guide here in Jamaica as well?
Yeah, part-time.
Okay, yeah. So he's showing us around and giving us the local vibe. Alright? So watch the process. And we have this beautiful girl around here doing her thing. Look at it. Yeah. So we're here. So we're gonna put our stuff down and just explore the falls some more, the river some more. Right here, I'm gonna jump off right there. Right here, so I'm gonna jump off right there, so. And that's a little pool area around here that I'm gonna jump into. Let's check it out. So this is still Reach Falls. It's the falls is up further, but that area is closed. So normally you have to pay like, locally you have to pay like 500 Jamaican, which is like 3 USD, and it's like 10 USD for non-Jamaicans. So right here, I'm gonna jump in this pool right here. This is nice, and I can see another one further up that I'm gonna check out soon. Yeah. So I never expect this. As I said earlier, we're planning to go to the government side. We have to pay, and you go to the rabbit hole. We're planning to go to the rabbit hole, but me and Isa gonna have to come back another day when they're open, because she wants to see the rabbit hole. I've been to the rabbit hole a couple of times, so I'm gonna take her back next day when they're open. Alright, watch the process. Waterfall! Yeah! This is mad cold! Woo! This is cold. Tour guide, right here, so deep enough? Extra. Okay, tour guide. The tour guide said right here is good enough to jump in. So let's do it. Deep. Watch the tour guide. As a tour guide. I'm gonna jump right here. Yeah man, can't jump there's a man. Yeah man. There's a deep now. Yeah. Alright. The tour guide said jump right there. Yeah, alright.
But no, tuck your knees in.
Alright.
There's a small rock.
Okay. Alright, so tour guide said tuck my knees in when I jump right there. Ready? Let's do it.
You good?
Woo! I'm good. I'm good.
You just stand right here.
Woo! I did it. Woo! Yeah. Sometimes it's hard to swim with the camera, but I did it. It's nice. Whoa! Right here's the deep.
Let's go to the next one.
We're going up to the next one. Alright. We'll go to the next one. Alright? So now watch the process. We're gonna see where we're gonna check in for Isa and see where Isa doing. But look at the fall. Isa swimming across.
Yeah! I'm giving up the doggy style swim.
Yeah, doggy style.
Wait, don't take that the other way now.
Oh, Little Mermaid, Big Mermaid. You go, girl. Yeah. All right, so we're about to head to the next pool area. What is he doing? Working out?
I'm working out.
Let's get a shot over here.
The water's taking me. I kind of want to jump.
You gonna jump from here?
Yeah.
Alright.
You think I can?
Yeah, you can jump from here, but we're going to our next one as well.
Okay. Let me jump from right here right quick. Yo, I cannot make it up.
Can't make it up.
I'm battling for my life right now.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
She made it.
I made it. Oh, it's hot as heck.
Bojo's over there. How's that swimmer, man? Hold them.
Yeah, right here.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Want me to record you?
I'm gonna jump with it.
Oh, you gonna jump with it?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Right. You ready, Isa?
You go first.
I'm going first?
Yeah.
Alright, she said I'm going first.
Okay, go ahead.
Bojo, I'm coming in. She's coming in. Oh, sorry. Yeah.
What a sound!
You did it. Yeah, man. Big up Bojo. Big up Bojo to the fullest.
Yes.
Yes, no, man.
There's one more.
Shout out to Konya.
There's one more jump, one more pool up there too.
Okay.
And if you walk all the way up, that's where you would get to Rabbit's Hole. But there's security there, so
Yeah.
you can't cross.
You can get there like walking.
No.
They won't let us cross.
Yeah.
It's alright, we'll be back.
Yeah.
Okay, so am Isa Travels, the one and only. I'm here with Nigel and Pollo, and we're out here at Rich freaking Falls. Listen, this is like, I've never witnessed like a waterfall this clear, so shout out to them for bringing me out here. Like, this is beautiful. This is my first day in Jamaica. Somehow I managed to go from Kingston all the way to freaking Portland. What am I doing here? Who told me to be all the way over here? But shout out to them. This is beautiful. If you're in Jamaica and you haven't came here, you definitely need to come to Rich Falls. This is like one of the most beautiful things I've seen and witnessed. I'm only 22, but you know, I witnessed a couple beautiful things. But this is one, like, this might be one of the wonders of the world. Like, what? Are you kidding? What? Hello? Like, is that right, Nigel?
Yeah, that's right.
Yo, this look crazy. Like, I feel like I'm in my Tarzan, like Moana vibes. Like, I feel like I'm in like Hawaii or something. Like, I don't even know. I just feel like I'm just living. Like, yeah, I'm having a ball.
Right, so big up East. That's like. There's a cave under there. There's a hole right in here. Like a cave. Who let the dogs out? So that's where we're coming from. So I think we're gonna hike up some more, find another swimming spot, and have some swim. Let's do it. And today is our first day, and she have a lot more crazy stuff to experience here in Jamaica.
Yes.
So
We have a lot of things to do, Nigel.
a whole heap of things to do. Woo. First time I'm coming this side on the Reach Falls. So this is amazing.
This is my friend right here.
Look at that mad deep. Woo!
No, my friend is in there. Oh, fuck.
East of going. East is not afraid.
Nah, you can put it down. You can put it down.
Coach, are you going to?
How the heck do I gotta slip under this rock?
Yeah, underneath the rock. It's just a quick duck your head.
Okay.
I want to, but
You think I'll make it to the other side?
no.
Oh.
Just because we don't know the way.
Oh, okay.
You going in?
No.
Yeah, go.
You're in there is very dark.
No, go with Issa.
It's not that dark.
Yeah. Your eyes are
What
just.
Issa said?
Well, it is not that dark. I'm just scared.
Alright, if I go, you go.
Can you guys see Issa?
They cannot see me.
Okay.
There's some local youth in the river here.
What the heck going on here?
They might do some sea lick. So that's how it is. Reach Falls.
That cave would have brought us out to here.
That cave would have brought you to that one. So, you swim going underneath the cave?
Go ahead, put it on foot now. Man, I keep this. Yeah. The exit there. Pegada tu. Betul lah. So. Yes, man, big up yourself. The local swimmer them, you see me? So they just went through the fall, through a little cave right there, and let you guys see what it is. All right, Bojo, what you say?
I'm cold and miserable.
Cold and miserable.
Yes.
Bojo is trembling.
Yeah, I am.
Why are you miserable?
Nah, it's a joke. It's a joke. It's a joke.
Wait a minute, what?
What about you,
I'm
Isa?
just cold, but
You just cold?
I'm vibing, you know? I'm catching the vibes. I'm swimming, enjoying. I'm good. I'm good.
Good.
I'm good.
And look at Isa. What
What the heck? Oh my god.
Isa come to Jamaica and created her own word. What's the word that you create?
Jamazing. Oh my god, you see the fishes?
Jamazing. Oh
We're having
yeah.
a Jamazing time in Jamaica.
Jamazing time in Jamaica.
Amazing time in Jamaica. What?
There's another pool area right there. Yeah. So today was a day. River nice, river vibes. So I think we're gonna head back in Kingston now, but we're gonna look some food eat. Cause right now we are hungry. So we are get some jerk chicken. Get Easter some jerk chicken. Cause I don't know, our first time in Jamaica. So we're gonna get her some jerk, some chicken and some pork. Alright? So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing. So stay tuned and watch the process. Yeah, leave the river, get some food. So we have some jerk pork right here, so get some beef soup, but no beef no there in it, a beer bone. Pojo, you having?
Pork. I even put some sauce on there this time.
I put some sauce on it, pepper or ketchup.
Pepper. I'm not putting ketchup on here.
Pojo get brave now, so I like the pepper. Pepper now, so Isa.
Yes.
What about you? First time having jerk pork?
First time having jerk pork. I got some festival. I love festival. I've had it before. I'm not brave yet, so I didn't put no spice. I'm doing ketchup. I'm trying. You know, I gotta work my way there. My stomach is not. I tasted it and I was like, yeah, not today.
Not for you. So, like it's first time having jerk pork. How does it taste?
It tastes really good. I like it.
Yes, no man. Welcome a yard.